Good morning. Here are the top political and sports news updates from India for 17th March 2025. Political news. India and Russia sign major defense agreement. On 7th March 2025, India entered into a significant defense contract with Russia, agreeing to purchase 1,000 horsepower engines for its T-72 tanks from Rosoboronexport, valued at $248 million. This move aligns with India's ongoing efforts to modernize its military arsenal. Notably, in October, India also acquired 31 MQ-9B Predator combat drones from the United States. The new engines are expected to enhance the mobility and offensive capabilities of India's over 2,400 T-72 tanks. Delimitation sparks North-South divide concerns. The Indian government's plan to redraw parliamentary constituencies based on the latest population census has raised apprehensions, particularly among southern states. The delimitation process could potentially increase parliamentary seats in the more populous northern states, which are strongholds of the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, thereby diminishing the political influence of the economically vibrant but less populated southern regions. Critics argue that this move may deepen the existing north-south divide and reshape India's political landscape in favor of the BJP. Vice President J.D. Vance to visit India. U.S. Vice President J.D. Vance is scheduled to visit India later this month, marking his second foreign trip in this capacity. Accompanied by Second Lady Usha Vance, who will be visiting her ancestral homeland officially for the first time, this trip follows Vance's earlier visits to France and Germany. His previous international engagement included a contentious speech at the Munich Security Conference, where he critiqued European policies on issues such as illegal migration and religious freedoms, causing unease among allies expecting discussions on the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Sports news. Virat Kohli dismisses retirement speculations. At 36, Indian batsman Virat Kohli has dismissed rumours of imminent retirement, despite India's recent 3-1 Test series loss in Australia. Acknowledging that this too might be his last in Australia, Kohli remains passionate about cricket. He broke a poor performance streak with a century in Perth but struggled overall, averaging 23.75 runs in the series. Having retired from T20 internationals after India's World Cup win, Kohli continues to play in the Indian Premier League and remains a key figure in India's Test team, emphasizing his commitment to the sport as long as he enjoys it. Mumbai Indians clinch second WPL title. In a thrilling final, Mumbai Indians, led by Harmanpreet Kaur, secured their second Women's Premier League (WPL) title. Kaur delivered a standout performance, scoring a scintillating 66 off 44 balls, guiding her team to victory over the Delhi Capitals, who faced their third consecutive final defeat. Mark Wood to miss England's tests against India. England fast bowler Mark Wood is expected to miss the entire Test series against India this summer following surgery on his left knee, which will sideline him for 4 months. Wood experienced discomfort while bowling against Afghanistan in the Champions Trophy and has been managing knee issues for over a year. He aims to be fit by the end of July, potentially missing the final Test at the Oval before the Winter Ashes Tour. That's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel for future updates, and have a wonderful day ahead.